We live in an age of perpetual motion, a theater of neon lights and digital echoes that never truly sleep. The world outside demands our attention, pulling us into a dance of frantic schedules and relentless noise. But look closely. Notice the weariness in the eyes of the city, the hidden longing for a moment of true silence. We have become mirrors of the storm, reflecting the chaos until we forget that we are the ones who hold the glass. To find peace, one must learn the art of turning inward, away from the roar and toward the source. Nature does not hurry, yet everything is accomplished. It moves with a rhythmic grace that we have long forgotten. There is a deeper reality beneath the surface, a stillness that is not the absence of sound, but the presence of life. You are the architect of your own soul. You possess the power to build a sanctuary where the world cannot reach. This internal fortress is not made of stone or wood, but of divine grace and focused intention. Imagine sitting at the center of the universe, where the horizon of the sky meets the infinite depth of the ocean. Here the thoughts that once troubled you are merely ripples on the water, fading into the vastness of being. You are anchoring yourself in the eternal now, a place where time loses its grip and anxiety dissolves into light. The architect builds with silence. Each moment of stillness is a brick laid in the wall of your inner peace. Watch as the storms of modernity rage outside this luminous structure, unable to penetrate the sanctuary you have created. The chaos is no longer a threat, it is merely a distant weather pattern, observed from a place of absolute safety. True strength is not found in the ability to change the world, but in the capacity to remain unchanged by it. With every breath, you draw in the grace of the universe, and with every exhale, you release the tension of the day. Every breath becomes a prayer, a silent affirmation of your connection to the source of all things. You are the mountain peak that stands above the clouds, bathed in the eternal sunlight of awareness. Return to this sanctuary often. It is your birthright, your home, and your ultimate protection against the chaos. In the stillness, you will find the strength to walk through the world without being lost in it. The peace you seek is not something to be found, but something to be built, breath by breath, thought by thought. May your internal fortress stand strong, and may your soul always find its way back to the center. Every breath becomes a prayer. Peace be with you.